How to turn off the Google News feed on Android. This tutorial shows you how to disable Discover so it stops showing up on your home screen. First, go to your home screen and long press on any empty area. From there, a menu will pop up at the bottom. Tap Home Screen Settings. After that, look for an option related to Google Feed or Discover, sometimes labeled as a swipe feature. At this point, tap the toggle next to it to turn it off. Once disabled, swiping left from your main home screen will no longer bring up the Google Discover feed. If you don't see that option there, there's another way to reach the same setting. Following this, swipe left from your home screen to open the Discover feed directly. From here, tap your profile picture at the top right, then tap Settings. At this stage, tap General, then tap the toggle to turn off the Discover feed from there instead. Keep in mind, turning this off only removes the feed from your home screen swipe gesture. It won't affect Google Discover suggestions you might still see inside the Google app itself, since that's controlled separately. That's how you turn off the Google News feed on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!